Hi Libra, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for the month of July. Please keep in mind these are general readings and might not resonate with each one of you. Let's see what the month has for you. Okay. Alright Libra, so you are fighting an internal battle this month. What you don't see is a love offer which is just around the corner, and the overall energy is the new start, a new beginning. So see, you are see, there is a heartbreak situation. There is something, you're forcing yourself to curb, to stop. There are battles that you actually win, but then there are battles. There is a sense of pushing people away. There is a sense of building a wall. I think you have learned after being too nice to everybody around you, after being too giving in relationships. I think you are just finally putting an end to all that. You are understanding. I mean, you are really finding worth in yourself, and you are thinking about times where you actually get the kind of love or the kind of affection you give out to people. So that is that is your thought, beginning of the month. And overall, because you decide this, there is a King of Cups, then there is a Two of Cups, and then there is the Sun. So towards the end of the month, I think you will get what you actually deserve. You will, they say the love that you send out usually comes back to you. So never think that the love that you have sent out is in vain. Never think that the love that you have given out will go waste. It will always come back. So that is what is happening in July. But you start with this energy, which is like a residual of past months. Listen to your intuition. Listen to your intuition about people, about relationships. Also beware of not just closing down completely, because that's what the energy looks like, that you really are closing your heart to art in general, not just to a certain person, but in general you are just in a very closed off energy. Let me take out 3 more cards. So you see, Page of Wands, King of Wands, the Queen of Wands is your energy. Like I said, you're in a very you'll come out in your own power this month. There is a wish fulfillment which will definitely happen, something that you have been wishing for quite some time. It could be the same person that you're wishing for. It could be a job, a promotion, a business idea. But one wish that you really dearly wished for, in your heart, will come true this month. This month really looks good for a lot of signs. I think almost all the signs. We just, we need, I think most of the signs need to control their temper, control their irritation. I think we have been, about all these retrogrades happening, we have been really holding ourselves back. So, we need to really think before we act this month, and, not act in haste. Actually, Page of Wands, see, you will get, like I said, you will get an offer. You will get different sorts of offer, it could be a younger person, who's very passionate about you. It could be something online. King of Cups definitely comes at the end of the month, but yes, something related to work will definitely take a very good turn this month. Let me take Major Arcana cards. I already shuffle actually before the reading starts, so you don't need to worry about that. Like I said, good changes happening, cycles ending, I don't need to say anything now. You can see the chariot, you can see the world, and you can see the high priestess. You really need to trust your intuition this month, and things will definitely change for good this month. Your wish fulfillment happens. A cycle ends where a new cycle begins. So completion of cycle. All this that you've been feeling comes to an end. Only good feelings remain, and good feelings grow. So let's see how you can handle this month. I'll take out one card from this month, which will be a theme. That is your lesson for the month, that you need to behave. Simplicity. So, I think don't complicate your thoughts, don't complicate your life, don't complicate relationships is the theme of the month. Keep it simple. When you communicate simply. When you, think, I think all everything starts with the thoughts. So, keep your thoughts very simple. Don't overthink, don't underthink, don't think unnecessarily. I think not thinking is the best decision. Underthink was a wrong word that I used, but then yes, keep it simple. You know what to do because your intuition is very, very powerful this month. So I think that will guide you, and good things are happening. Don't worry about the past residual energy that you're carrying. It will slowly go. So I think you'll have a very good month, and keep watching my channel for more updates. Thank you for watching.